up, guys? Welcome back to Speed Slayer's YouTube channel. We got your host.
I'm still waiting for a shirt.
Yeah, everybody's waiting for shirts anyways.
You're representing the channel well.
Most definitely, always. Anyways, we got broken cars. And we got
broken
car that's working barely. I think this car is hanging onto a limb. Anyways,
I can't kill it.
Toyota engineering. They put Subaru parts on that, and that's why, you know.
Yeah, that's why it's broken.
And that's why it's broken. That's literally why it breaks. Of course, I love surprising Adrian with parts. So today, I surprised him with this. I know we haven't done FRS videos this year. Hopefully that'll change soon.
We did one, but it really highlighted the 300 versus the FRS.
I guess that's true.
All we highlighted on the FRS was that it broke.
That damn ignition coil system. We still gotta get those. We're behind. We have too many projects.
Yep.
I think we kind of expected to be on a better track than.
I was greedy and prioritized Civic for this year, and that's the money pit over there. These cars are pending, but luckily now we're in the off season. We have until October. We're in July. We got time. We could fix that. We could fix the track 86. We could finally start on this.
And by finally, we mean today. So, let's open this box up. Do we get license plates with these?
I'm gonna say no. No, wait. You ready? Yes. Whoa.
I guess it's a no. It's a yes. Alright, let's wrap this up. That's what they say at work, to get us motivated.
Do you get motivated?
Hell no. Let's see. I have reason to believe we're gonna break our rear bumper today.
Alright. Pick a number.
4.
That's all you get.
Alright.
We're working on it right now. We don't want that getting a little too hot.
Yeah. Man, so we have an issue. Maybe zoom in over there. They welded the resonator to the catalytic, so we're gonna have to cut that off. So today we might just be doing axle back.
Alright guys, we're back. It's another day, but we did come across a bit of an issue, which I'm about to take you under the car right now. So we're currently under the car. You can see the muffler all the way up here, separates here. We have our big resonator. Then we come across here to our catalytic converter, and our problem is someone installed another catalytic converter, but also ended up doing a pretty crappy work, I'd say. And they also cut off the flange, so we can't really install a catback exhaust with the flange missing. So basically it's all one piece up to the headers. So that was a bit annoying. I was debating whether we should look for a new white pipe with a cat, or if we should just cut it or go to a muffler shop, see if they can install it, because eventually we do plan on getting rid of that pipe if we end up going turbo. But that's not gonna happen anytime soon. So we're stuck between, do we want to spend a lot of money, or do we want to go through the hassle? And I was just looking online to see if anyone had the white pipe, and luckily last night I found one. So this was a used white pipe. They did say there is no cat in there. It's can't really see, but it's hollow in there now. at least if we bolt it up, we're able to run our catback exhaust, which at least will sound a little bit louder. We still have the 2 original cats in the headers, so that should muffle it. Figured this was best of both worlds. $100. Definitely cheaper than going to a muffler shop. Definitely a lot easier to install this versus trying to cut up that and make it fit. So my main worry is how rusted are the bolts connecting our Y pipe to our headers, because this is an 01 and is close to 300,000 miles. So it's been through a lot. We're gonna see if we could try to get the bolts off. If they break, find replacements, but as long as we could get it off and disconnected, reinstalling this should be easy. All right, we're gonna be using a 14mm socket to get this loose. All right, guys. Ooh. We're here at the front of the Y pipe and our header. We are gonna end up cutting these bolts right here. There's another one right there. All right, guys, we did it. We got it off. I didn't realize this was a flange. I was trying to loosen it from here. Feel like a real dum-dum now. But we got the bolts out. Ended up buying this bolt extractor tool. Got it from my local O'Reilly's. Almost got the last bolt off, but before that, I'm gonna take off this O2 sensor, and then we could go all the way to the back, remove the 2 bolts that are still holding this on. We could remove the whole resonator and cat off. Then we'll work on the muffler and getting rid of hangers. It's like 4 maybe over there. And once everything is off, throwing on the exhaust should be way easier. All right, lo and behold, new Greddy Supreme exhaust, just like on all the cars. We already have a little dent. That's okay. But man, the girth, I think this is like 2 1/4 or going up to a 3-inch. Muffler's a bit smaller. Resonator, honestly, I think we went bigger. Yeah, we're about to throw it on. This is gonna be good. This is gonna be good. Alright guys, we just tightened up everything. Gonna go ahead, hop in the 300, turn it on. Hopefully there's no leaks, and see what it sounds like for the first time. If everything goes well, I'll rev it once it's on the ground. Here we go. Getting that fresh exhaust smoke out. So far so good. Let's get under the car and double check. We do have an exhaust leak back here. You can hear it and you can feel the heat. Alright guys, we have come to the end of the video. Finally installed. We still have a slight exhaust leak, so probably tomorrow or whenever I'm gonna try to find another 3-inch gasket and try to fix it. But in the meantime, it's good. Just gonna turn it on right now, see how it sounds. Greddy Supreme Catback exhaust with basically no cat. They just emptied it out, but we still have the stock headers with the stock cats in them. So let's start her up, go for a 2K RPMs and then 4, and we'll see how it sounds. Thank you guys for watching. Please tune in for more. We're gonna have some Civic news, and then hopefully we finally start working on the Track 86 again, because we haven't done much this year with it. So tune in. Please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you guys for watching. Peace out. Later.